In this video, I will show you how to fix the failed to log in invalid session error in Minecraft. If you're seeing this error when trying to log into your account, first open the Start menu, search for Task Manager, and open it. Search for Minecraft, then right-click on both Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher and click End Task to close all Minecraft-related processes. Launch Minecraft again and see if the issue is fixed, or try signing out of your account and signing back in. If the error still appears, open the Control Panel, set View by to Large Icons, go to Network and Sharing Center, change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, select Properties. Then open Internet Protocol version 4, change the DNS setting. To use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS, then click OK. Finally, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Run the commands ipconfig, flush DNS and netsh winsock reset, then restart your computer. Once your PC has restarted, launch Minecraft again, and the failed to log in invalid session error should now be fixed. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.